Hey guys, it's Barbara. I'm on the marketing team here at Ritzy, and today I'm going to show you how we've packed Chelsea's Stroller Caddy as part of the Chelsea & Cole collection for Ritzy. So if you check this out, fully packed, we have so much stuff in here. It has the awesome gold studs that you saw on Chelsea's Boss backpack and the same floral interior, so it makes an awesome add-on to the Boss backpack or just a really sweet standalone. So let's check out what we have inside. On the side we have baby sunscreen and some sunnies for mama. In the middle compartment we have a little first aid kit, little on-the-go band-aids, stuff like that. A couple diapers, one of our snack bags with some snacks for baby, toddler, and a little granola bar for mom. Wallet and a water bottle. Best part, in this front pocket, it is the perfect size for your cell phone. So you can keep that locked in there, safe and sound, but super easy access for when it's on the stroller. And we can just go ahead and pack this back up. Ready to roll. Thanks for tuning in, guys.